Hello and welcome to $3 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The month of August is shaping up to be a major month for token unlocks. Nearly $1.5 billion in tokens from major crypto projects are set to be unlocked, with 1 billion XRP tokens worth $609 million, making up a massive part of the month's total on August 1. So other major unlocks in August include those from Layer 1 network Avalanche and cross-chain bridging platform Wormhole, releasing a combined $449 million worth of tokens per token unlocks data. Simultaneously, SUI and DYDX are also in the list, with SUI unlocking 2.56% of its circulating supply, releasing 64 million tokens, and DYDX unlocking 8.33 million tokens worth nearly $11 million. Meanwhile, the new Layer 1 network Zeta Chain will unlock nearly 18.9% of its circulating supply of Zeta Chain tokens on August 1. So to shed more light on this, we have with us an avid crypto trader, Mr. Abhishek Chauhan. Welcome to $3 TV, Abhishek.
Thank you, Vishakha.
So to begin with, what token unlocks exactly are?
So token unlocks are the process where, when a new project or a new company creates it's a token. So they have to define the tokenomics. Tokenomics is how the token would be distributed. You can't put all the tokens out into circulation or release them all together. So there's a proper plan which is made, and a lot of tokens are locked for a particular period of time, and which gets unlocked on a monthly basis, or we call it vesting. There's vesting done for it, so they get unlocked on a monthly basis. So token unlocks is a process where some of the tokens which are currently locked, they come into circulation and they get added to the current circulating supply of the token.
So you mentioned that some of the tokens are locked in the first place, but why are they locked?
So what happens is that when we have tokens, they're locked because so there are a lot of investors. So when tokens go through a fundraising process, there are multiple rounds. There's a seed round, there's a private round, sometimes there's a Series A or Series B, and then there's a public sale. Now what happens is when the token gets launched, all the investors or the private investors who bought it in the earlier rounds might sell it or dump it in the market.
Correct.
So to avoid the selling pressure that comes on the token when the token gets listed and launched, what we do is we lock the tokens up and we linearly vest it over a period of time. So a lot of companies define their token unlock schedule where they would unlock it, say, 10% tokens every month. So whatever they have locked, they would unlock it 1%, 2% every month. So that's where any new project which comes in gives tokens to its investors. The investor should not dump on the market, so there shouldn't be any selling pressure, which is where the vesting happens, and that's where they get unlocked over a course of time. It's mostly done on a monthly basis.
So that's quite interesting, and you explained it very well.
Thank you.
So Abhishek, what token unlocks, or how do they impact the crypto markets?
Good question. So token unlocks impact the markets as in, so we have the circulating supply. So we have new supply which comes in, which gets added to the circulating supply, because these tokens were locked before they were not available to the market. Now they're available to the market. The investors will sell it in the market, which leads to an increase in the market cap. And once the market cap increases, which means that there's a high selling pressure, because now investors were waiting, and when investors buy these tokens, they buy it at a much premium discount. They buy it at a discount because they were the early investors. They believed in the project before the project started or launched their token. They were the early investors, so they get it at a discounted price. Now these investors want to sell these tokens. So that is where it's a negative event in most cases, where it creates a selling pressure. And what a lot of companies do is that they delay the token unlock. So that is something that we've also seen.
Okay, so how do these impact the market capitalization, and can you please differentiate between market cap and FTVs?
So market cap is current price of the token into the circulating supply. Whereas fully diluted value is current price, but instead of the circulating supply, it's the total supply.
Okay.
So now we are essentially comparing circulating and total supply. What happens in FDV, you understand the actual valuation of the project, that what is, once all the tokens get unlocked, what would be the company or the token, what would be the total valuation of that particular token. So we might have 40 or 60% of the tokens locked, whereas the market cap could be only 400 million. 60% of the tokens could be locked, which makes the FDV at a 1 billion. So it portrays a long image. When you see the market cap, you are only seeing the circulating supply, but there could be a lot of percentage which is locked, which might increase its value down the time when these tokens get unlocked. So that's the main difference between market cap and fully diluted value. and it's something that everyone should keep an eye out, because token unlocks are usually negative. Sometimes there's a reverse, there's a positive unlock, or bullish unlock is a term that we traders often use, and it's something that traders should keep an. So we have currently layer 0 and wormhole. So layer 0 has more token unlocks for the next 1 year, whereas wormhole is unlocking I think $186 million worth of token this month. So that makes it negative for wormhole, and it makes it bullish for layer 0, because layer 0 has no unlock, so people know that there's no selling pressure which is going to happen. But wormhole is going to have a $187 million selling pressure, which is quite bearish, or it's negative. So the team can decide to delay the token unlocks, and that again starts a rally and makes the price go up. So that's the entire gist of token unlocks.
Thank you so much for sharing all the insights, and I'm sure that the investors are really going to benefit from this information which you just shared. So thank you, and thank you everyone for watching. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting stories and updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.